Hi guys, today I'm going to review the ESR iPad Pro 12.9-inch case. The model number for the case is D163H. So just want to let you know, so we got this as a warehouse deal from Amazon. And this case is made in China but designed in the USA. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Yeah, it feels quite a sturdy packaging. So this is the case. Wow, so as you can see, this is for the camera layout, cutout. It opens like this. I had seen a lot of good reviews online before purchasing this product. This is you get this leaflet, so if you want more discounts from esrgear.com. So all in all, a very good sturdy product. Here it says designed by ESR. It feels very sturdy. So there you go guys. So now I'm going to put the iPad inside the case and show you how it looks. So this is the iPad. Put here. So over here, as we can see, this has a magnetic closure here, a magnetic strip here. So that's the back of it. And if you open it up, it looks like this. And it has a really nice texture to this. And as you can see, the flap itself is magnetic. Quality feels very sturdy to me. And the good thing about this case is that it's not a fingerprint magnet like some cases are, so you can actually touch it and not get it smudged. Like same with the front, the material is such that it won't attract fingerprint marks. I just wanted to talk about some details of this case. For example, see over here you can see where the volume rocker or the buttons are. Basically this case, a lot of cases what they do is they just leave a gap here for the buttons, but on this case you can see there's protective plastic on top of the buttons because of the raised platform, the raised nature of this case. So when you put it flat on the table, your camera is protected against scratches and accidental damage from the table or the surface which it's in. Another great feature of this case is that as soon as you close the case, the screen turns off, which saves you battery and power. I'll just show you how. So as you can see, it's on, but when I close it, it goes off. See? So now I'm going to show you how does it feel using it while using the iPad itself. So using it like a stand. So over here, one thing to mention is it works better one way than the other way because the magnet works in your favor rather. So if you keep it like this and make sure that the magnetic part of this flap over here goes in a line with this, so that's there, so it's holding the thing in place, and then you can work through your iPad after that. The case, it feels very well supported in this position, and scrolling through the web page, it's like a breeze. Another thing I wanted to mention while using this case is that this case does tend to collect dust on this side of the cover. So I would advise you, try to avoid dusty places, and also to make sure that, while using it, to use it on a clean table and clean environment. So that's that. If I had to choose a negative about this case, that is something I would just be a bit wary that, this does tend to collect dust depending on where you use it. So other than that, it's been quite a positive experience.